And now this is our second test rocket for today, and this one is longer than the previous one that we tested today. This one is around 20 inches tall, and if you look, I see this one has a look at the fin there. It has something like an elevator or a rudder, or depending, because normally in rockets calls fins, but in airplane it's called the elevator and rudder. The one that will make it to go up and down is elevator. Then why the one that will make it to go right or left is called the rudder. But for this one is the fin attached to fin. So look at the control there. Once I look at the control pad and with it here. So once I click like this, it changes. Have you seen it? This in the fin has changed. The elevator has changed. Have you seen it? Wow, it has changed. Now let me press back. It has changed, gone that side. Have you seen it? How the thing changed? So that is how it works. And now thank you for this a control rocket. So it means that I can control it using this thing to control the target and to hit a specific target. And this one also can travel up to that 2000 feet. 2000 feet. So we are going to set it up and fire it. Thank you for watching.